Hi everyone, it's Claire back again. So this is a huge collaboration video today. This is organised by Be Free Have Fun 21, and she's organised a huge collaboration for everybody's fall favourites, and I think at the last count there are about 30 channels. So if you're looking for new nail channels, if you want to find some new up and coming channels, you may discover some favourites, or rediscover some favourites, then everything's linked down below. Everybody's channels, Instagram and YouTube channels, will be linked down below. I've decided that I'm going to do this in 3 different categories, so let's have a look at the first category. So these are my essential go-to autumn polishes or fall polishes. It's weird, we don't, it's autumn for us. Fall is when you kind of trip over a step and you fall. That's what fall is to me. But anyway, obviously it's the leaves falling off the trees, but here it's autumn. But just to let you know, there is a hashtag for this collaboration on Instagram, and I'll put that across the screen here. So if you want to join in with your favourite fall/autumn nail polishes that on Instagram, then please make sure you use that hashtag so that we can all see your favourite fall/autumn nail polishes. So these are my polishes that are kind of go-to or old autumn favourites that I want to show some love to, and just essentials really. These are the types of polishes that I would go to every single year. So this first one here it's actually an ILNP. You can barely see the name because it's such a dark polish, and it's a beautiful multi-chrome. It's kind of like a teal navy blue base stuffed with scattered holographic, and this really, it's the name that makes me think of autumn. So this is Sweater Weather, and it was also one of my very first indies. So I've had this a few years. I don't remember wearing it last autumn, so I've pulled this out as an old favourite that I'm definitely going to be wearing this year. ILNP Sweater Weather. So here it is on the swatch wheel. Absolutely beautiful. 2 coats. That's ILNP Sweater Weather. Most of the polishes, I'm going to be showing you 15 polishes today, and most of them, I think only 2 are not indies, so they're all indies, and the majority of them as well are UK indies. This is a UK indie. It's a brand that unfortunately no longer exists, and this was a trio that I picked up just as she decided to stop making polish. They are such beautiful, like one coat formulas. This polish is called Sickening, and it was part of the Fugly trio, and it's a typical ugly pretty shade, which is my go-to kind of colour in the autumn. And here it is on the swatch wheel. It's a kind of, I don't even know how to describe this shade. It's a very ugly pretty green, but it's just absolutely, and it clashes completely with my skin tone, as most greens do, but I still love them. This is beautiful, and it's Sickening from Princess Nail Lacquer. I've got a feeling that a lot of people will be showing Essie's Plain Coy, which I do love that shade, but the formula's not great for me. However, this one is. This is Mesmerist Lacquer, another brand that no longer exists, but I'm hoping, she keeps kind of suggesting that she's going to come back. This is Conkers from Mesmerist Nail Lacquer, and it is an absolutely fabulous one coat formula. And this is it here on the swatch wheel. It's not exactly the same as Plain Coy. It's a little bit deeper and a little bit more chestnut, more on the brown side than the burnt orange side, but I just absolutely love this. And that's Mesmerist Conkers. So I've got a few, I've got at least 1 hard as nails in each of the 3 categories. This is a beautiful multi-chrome, and it's kind of it's a sort of burgundy red, gold, there's a bit of green in there, and it's again stuffed with scattered holographic, but much finer than the ILNP. And this is Galantis from the Oh So Shifty collection. I love this entire collection. This is one of my favourites. And here it is on the swatch wheel. It's just absolutely beautiful, and the shift is much stronger actually, especially in the daylight. Yeah, I love this polish, love this whole collection. That's Ave Nails, Galantis. And next, I actually don't have many polishes from this brand. I've probably destashed more than I've had in my collection. But this is such an unusual green gold. I love green golds, but this is unique in even my collection, and I've got lots of green golds. This is Pretty Serious Blood of Knossos, and it's a kind of metallic khaki, and it's got that beautiful gold shimmer. So that's Blood of Knossos from Pretty Serious, another brand that's not going to be around for much longer. Sorry, I'm showing you all these polishes that you probably can't get hold of, but maybe they'll give you some inspiration for the shades and the finishes. So these are the polishes that I've maybe swatched once or worn once and thought, oh yeah, I definitely want to make sure I wear those this autumn. And again, I've got 5 of them. This first one is such a beautiful polish. It's a kind of taupey holographic, and it's super holographic. It's KB Shimmer, You're Beautiful, and this was sent to me by Helen over in Ireland, and oh my god, I absolutely love it. I wore it once and I just thought, yes, this is my holographic for the autumn. And here it is on the swatch wheel. Just look how super holographic that is. It's so holographic that you have to go back to the bottle to kind of determine what the base shade is, but it's a very pale kind of beigey taupe. Next up is the beautiful painted polish Jumping Jack-o'-lantern, and this was sent to me by Kay Panda Bee, and I've been lusting after this for a while, and it was like she read my mind. This is Crelly, a very pale nude Crelly base stuffed with all of these autumn glitters, just every kind of shade that you can imagine for autumn, and it's just absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful in the bottle. On the nail, on the swatch wheel here, it's a bit of a top coat eater. It's not too textured, and I would probably need two coats of top coat, but it's just absolutely beautiful, and I love all these shades. So that is Painted Polish, Jumping Jack-o'-lantern. Next is another Ave Nails, and I've actually only swatched this. This is from the South London trio, and the other 2 I wore. This one I just swatched and thought, oh, I need to put that to one side to wear in autumn. It's a beautiful multi-chrome with a really pretty shimmer, and this one goes, I mean, it's weird because in the camera it looks like a bronze colour, but on the nail, to me, it looks like a deep pink. So I'm hoping that you can catch the duochrome. It's beautiful, and this is Wind Your Neck In from the South London trio. You can see there in the bottle the shift that you get that on the nail, especially in daylight. It's absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to wear this fully as a manicure. This is Moonshine Mani, Welcome to Real Life, and wow, I absolutely love how complex this is. It's a sort of jelly crelly with just, I think Phoebe calls these crystal flakes. Loads of shimmer, loads of duochrome, and it's just beautiful on the nail. So that's Welcome to Real Life, predominantly green to the eye, but just look at all the shifty different colours in there, and those beautiful multi-chrome flakies. Absolutely love this one. I've worn it once and I knew that I wanted to make sure that I wore it for autumn. Finally, in this category, this is a polish that Nika sent me. Still can't believe that she sent me this, and I'm kind of expecting her to ask for it back. Which I'm fine about if you ever do, Nika. I don't know why she didn't like this, but this is not my vault, and it's one of my, I think I've got 2 cupcake polishes, this one and Very Good Looking, and wow, I absolutely love it. It's a really like pretty marmalade shade, holographic, so it's a kind of, it's a beautiful autumn orangey gold holographic, and when I wore it I was just, it took my breath away. I might actually wear this again when I change my manicure. On my nails, by the way, is China Glaze Central Parker Still. I've had this on for about 3 days. I did some weeding, some gardening at the weekend, which is why it's chipped there, but other than that, and it was some quite vigorous gardening, other than that, I really haven't had even a lot of tip wear for 3 days. I know some people have problems with China Glaze, but it's always okay with me. Anyway, back to the polishes. The final 5 are all polishes that either I've bought recently or I are just untried, I've not worn them yet. This is China Glaze Autumn I Need That, and it's from this year's Fashion Forward collection, and it's a really deep, it's actually purple when I swatched it. It's a very, very deep purple, and this one is really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see there. The glitters are tiny, but they're kind of green and gold and red, and I don't know if that's a kind of colour shift, like a multi-chrome, or if there are just different coloured glitters in there. I'm definitely looking forward to trying this one. And my only other mainstream polish, this is Butter London Sunbaker, and I picked this up in a TK Maxx earlier this year and thought, oh, this is a real autumn orange, and it's very metallic. It's a very metallic kind of pumpkin orange, and it's a shimmery metallic, and but it's kind of bright. There's a real brightness to it, so yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this one. That's Butter London Sunbaker. This is Turn Over a New Leaf, which is from the Ave Nails Solstice collection. I have got a video on this whole collection, and they're beautiful, shifty, multi-chrome, flaky, matte polishes, which is just, I think, perfect for this time of year. So this shifts from a kind of very deep pink to a green to a gold, and you've got all those multi-chrome flakes in there as well. Absolutely beautiful. I think I have a swatch picture of this. Another UK indie, this is Illusion Polish, and this is Fedra, and it's a really dark mossy green, loads of shimmer and gold flakes, and it's a really kind of complex polish, but it's very pretty on the nail. It's a beautiful autumn green actually, and with those gold flakes as well. So that's Fedra. I'm really looking forward to wearing this from Illusion Polish. And finally, this is a prism polish that I picked up a while ago, and I've never got around to wearing it. I kind of kept it for autumn because it just looked like the glitters were really autumnal in there. It's very, very dark. It almost looks black on the swatch wheel, and I'm really looking forward to wearing it because I want to know if these glitters are visible on the nail. Hopefully you can see that. It's kind of very, very fine multi-chrome flakes in this really, really deep dark purple. You can just see a bit of the purple. It's like a plummy purple. And this is Drogon, which was from, I think, a Game of Thrones collection. It just looks so perfect for this time of year. So yeah, I'm looking forward to wearing this one. Drogon from Prison Polish. So that's my autumn picks, or some of my autumn picks. It's already, the weather's quite cold here, so I'm already wearing the polishes that I've picked out for autumn. You should be seeing these manicures on Instagram, so look out for that. Let me know what your favourite autumn fall polishes are. Have you got any untried that you're looking forward to wearing this autumn? Please make sure you check everybody out. All the links are below for everybody's Instagram and YouTube channels. And thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye!